Hello guys and welcome to Harkman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you break and retest strategies. So what are break and retest strategies? Well, at certain areas in the stock market or the forex market there occurs a certain place that when the stock is trading, you guys you guys will learn this in this video later on. So I'm just telling to you how break and retest strategies work. When a certain trend line is broken and it came back and retest that area, confirms that area that it is a breakthrough, then that area is called break and retest. So what is break and retest? Let's learn about it by analyzing different charts. Now this area you can see that, where is it? Yeah, you can see that this area is a major break and retest level. As it broke this trend line and trading above, you can see that it it came back down, touched this trend line, the support level, and this was the resistance level. At this trend line was acted as a resistance level for this area, and now it is, as it broke, as the trend line, as these candlesticks broke this trend line, it is now acting as a support level for this area. So it is now trading, it has now moved upward and now trading like this. So another place in this case, you can see that this is acting as this is acting as a support level. It the stock the stock started to came stock pushed downward, changed to a downtrend. Now it, as it came closer to this trend line, you can see that major price rejections happened occurred at this level. So what it means that the buyers didn't want the stock to go down. Usually it is euro USD, so I'm saying it as stock. The buyers didn't want the stock to go down. They again pushed the market up, but weren't that much strong to push the market even further. So the sellers were strong at this level, so they pushed the market downward. Some of the rallies occurred at different areas. These are also areas of confirmation that lower low, lower low, lower low, lower lows, and even lower low. So these are areas of so these are the areas that acts as what you call it, break and retest strategies. So now you see that, you can see that this line, this is the this line is acting as resistance level. So you can see that as it is trading right now at this level, if it broke this trend line beneath, now it is if it started to trade upward, it is a break and retest level. So if it trades below, it is not a trade and retest level, it is something else at this level. You can see that this is also a now if you take a closer look, this is support level, and this area is now acting, this trend line is acting as a support level for this area, and for this area it is acting as a resistance level. So what you can see that about break and retest, if it broke this trend line, if it uh, broke this trend line, like, let me show it to you clearly. It came like this, touched this trend line, and traded like this. So this area, this particular area is known as break and retest strategies. This is the break area and this is the retest area. So this is known as break and retest strategies. So these can occur in these occur in those areas where the trend line is needed. So wherever the trend line is needed, these you can use this strategies at that level. Sometimes it is not necessary that always whenever the trend line is broken it will retest itself. Sometimes it trades above without it trades without retesting its level. So you guys have to be well aware of that, that it might not retest its level at this point. It might trade above, so it might start trading without retesting itself. So that's all about break and retest strategies. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.